嗨，大家好，我是Eco，今天带你快速认识马来西亚高端装饰面材品牌 Max， 给予全面的装饰式面材质系列 ，Let's go！最准备装饰的你们，是不是被市面上各种各样的板材搞到眼花缭乱，不知道选哪一个最适合？今天我就带你快速认识马来西亚高端装饰面材品牌 Max， 旗下丰富功能的4大产品线，定能让你眼前一亮。各空间的装饰面材就在这里一次购足。Max 从贸易公司转变为板材制造商，13年如同一日的提供家具制造业和设计师所需求的表面装饰材料，以超越业界水准品质而闻名，广泛应用在本地多家知名建案项目，深受设计师的青睐。走进 Max 的材料图书馆展示空间 Boy Core， 这里根据 Max 装饰材料分类，由设计师 Napshin Core 亲手操刀设计，启发你的设计性想象。如果你想要打造无毒健康家居，建议把 E1 MFC、E0 Max Ply 和 Econav 板材纳入你的考虑。E1 MFC 低甲醛板材，E0 Max Ply 甲醛释放量最小的做层板，以及使用无全罩水的 Econav 是真正的零甲醛板材，特别适合有小孩或孕妇的家庭。Max Touch 系列是以抛光板为基材，抗污、抗指纹、防水、耐高温、耐刮、耐钻，是高度使用空间的最佳选择。Max Work 研发的爱迪站 HQ 板材，解决短小处黑边问题，提供无缝一体化的视觉效果，抗指纹、抗菌效果显著。特别适用在人流量高的空间，多达400种花色，包括木纹、金属、水泥、大理石、皮革、布纹等纹理，满足多样化的装修风格需求。最高可以去到10尺高，还可以定制成你柜内或门板需要的各种尺寸。Stone 系列整合天然石材、人造石与阳板材质，具备易清洁、防火耐高温、防渗透、抗紫外线等特点。色泽长形不配色，适合室内外墙面、地面、厨房和浴室台面。Compact Board 厚度仅6mm， 表面光滑无孔，结构坚固耐用，多种纯色画色选择，适合定制家居的台面材料，是设计师的定制选择。
When tasked to design the Maxwell new showroom, we would like to embrace the idea of Maxwell being part of the major industrial ecosystem. We would like to embrace the idea of bold, honest design into the showroom. It was something like an adaptive reuse exercise that reuse a lot of available material that we found in the warehouse. Yeah. So, for instance, sustainability will be one key factor when we design this particular showroom. So, being said that like a lot of industrial material like steel, plywood, raw materials that you can see around the showroom. So, the primary design ideas is to embrace the industrial aesthetic and sustainability of materiality used in the whole design process. So, for instance, we work very closely with Maxwell in-house construction team. They're also part of like a craftsman to fabricate a lot of customized built-in furnitures and that you can see around the showroom. So first of all, I think we engage a neutral color palette to address the kind of Maxwell wide variety and range of product series from color, different material categories, and then by doing so, we can easily contrast and showcase, highlight each product series being placed in a very neutral kind of color palette and materiality. Because of that, the Maxwell showroom also being called Maxwell Bohort, Old English words of libraries. The library concept being implemented, and we have a wide variety and flexibility of displaying each range of the product. And beside that is also we created a lot of storages to cater for whatever changing use of the showroom and cater for different purposes, and also serving different client, designers, end user, and also industrial players. Yeah, when they come to visit the showroom. When we come to planning the whole showroom, we want to create a very comfortable infinity loop, placing each of the category of product in a different zoning. Each zone provided a very conducive environment that is cozy and comfortable, and of course the product being displayed very clearly, easily, with a lot of information being displayed as well. We call it infinity loop, means you can easily continue from one zone to one another zone of the product ranges, and also you can do a shortcut without going through the same loop, go direct into the range that you are looking for. The Maxwell cohort actually is a library that nowadays we cannot make a lot of design decisions viewing from a catalog and small samples. So in this particular showroom, designers and architects can have a live experience to experience full display, full large size format with the flexibility and availability of the showroom facilities, right? You can compare in the full experience into life size. Yeah, you can have a touch and feel, our color ambience, and also set particular in a way the color renderation is as good as usual in your home, in your office, and also in retail environments. Yeah. So that's very important to give a full life experience to all designers and architects. This showroom has been designed in a way like a neutral format, in a way neutral color, and the display system can be easily dismantled without modifying a lot of major renovations. Yeah? So their main island, which are also loose, can be dismantled and removed to provide more space if required. Yeah, but most of the wall system are specific design for that category, and of course it can be interchanged into the future needs. So as you walk into this showroom, I think one feature that you may or you may not experience is what we call it, the very strong angular division. Which is the feature wall that I'm sitting behind, and this create a very dynamic experience when you maneuver within the space. Using this simple gesture divided the whole open space into different zones of the product display, and crafting out a round circle also give a very strong aperture to connect these two particular spaces in a more architectural or structural way. We believe angular elements work very well in this particular showroom space, that this particular division wall giving a very memorable and interesting backdrop for the product display. It's a very heavy textured backdrop and in contrast with all the products. And in between the two spaces, we crafted a round aperture, connected the spaces in between these two zones. That will be the main feature that give a very memorable and user experience.